Sounds just like the place for me. Good morning. It's time to go for a long walk on the beach. It is like 5:30 in the morning. This isn't quite wilderness. But I'm up here and I need to get out. So I used the distance finder, and I think it said it was about 1.5 miles from that wall to the big pier out there. So that's what I'm gonna do. 1.5 miles out, 1.5 miles back. Yeah, I've been trying to come out here a few days, but it's always ended up being the afternoon when I can. And it's just been either just hot or just way too many people out here. And I don't think they really want to, have me filming their butts and whatnot. Just way too many people out here, I think, to be filming. A few people every now and then, it's one thing, but it's just, it was way too many people. So decided to hit it this morning, and I had a dream last night that I had already done this, so when the alarm went off this morning, I was like, oh no, you mean I didn't do this? So here we are. Look at all the clams this morning. Clams, clams, clams. So many clams this morning. So many clams. Scraping the beach. Also, I'm not carrying a knife today because there's too many laws around here about carrying. So it's too complicated out here. It's not saying I don't have something on me. Or something on me at all times. The laws out here are too complicated and too restrictive when it comes to items, tools like that. No, I've just been carrying a pry bar on me, a little pry bar. Sure, I probably could get in trouble too, probably for having a burglary tool on me, they would probably call it, but it's got a bottle opener on it, and I've actually used it quite a bit to open bottles here. So whatever. It doesn't have a sharp edge, so. So got a lot of people have been fishing out here this morning. That's cool. and you got people actually swimming out there. I don't know if I've actually ever seen anybody swim, even in Texas, out in the waters. Yeah, swimming in the ocean is a lot more difficult than swimming in a pool because you got the currents to deal with, and walking on the beach is a little different than hiking on the trails because the sand is going to work different micro muscles and different stabilizers. So, there's a camera right there. So it's always nice to have a little change in what you do. Okay, found the cork. Now where's the bottle with the message in it? See, down to the famous Coney Island. Walked this far, almost to the pier. Yeah, oh, felt like I just got my ankles unexpectedly. So yeah, my wife is complaining she didn't want to come because it was so far. 1.5 miles to the big pier and 1.5 miles on the way back. And I was just thinking, you and the kids have hiked further than that with me before. So just trying to think, like, what's the issue? Whatever. But I'm out here doing it. Funky fish. Yeah. So still out here on a beautiful morning doing it, getting it done. You know? Out in nature, or somewhat nature, any way I can. You know, on the beach out here, yeah, you got a little bit of trash, a little bit of glass. I mean, not absolutely terrible, but it's still out here. I don't think the birds did that. Okay, everyone. I made it to my goal. The big pier at Coney Island. So now it is time for me to head all the way back there. Somewhere right back there. So until next time, thank you for joining me. Please, do the like, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff. Get outside any way you can and enjoy life and have a good one.